I wanted to talk about these guys. So about a week ago, the CDC released a report about patient deaths from individuals traveling to the Dominican Republic. And what they found was since 2009, there has been a 300% increase in the number of people who are dying there. And going into the data a little bit, it really looks like at least half of those patients are patients who are getting BBLs and who are getting fat embolisms. And the concept is if this procedure isn't done carefully and by trained people, you can get fat into the gluteal veins and it travels to the heart and lungs and it's fatal. And it's become such a big problem that the Dominican Republic and the CDC are working in partnership together to try to warn people about the dangers of traveling. Now, it's important to recognize that there are good plastic surgeons all around the world, and that all of anyone who says that they're a good plastic surgeon, the first thing we think about is patient safety. So I'm not telling people it's impossible to travel or never travel for aesthetic surgery, but if you're going to do it, recognize it is more dangerous than staying in the United States. Number one. Number two, recognize that you have to do some of the homework yourself. And it's not enough or safe to trust someone else to tell you, this doctor's fine, or my friends went to them, or this doctor's paying us to organize these groups and we take care of everything. You have to do your own work. You have to look and make sure that they have appropriate certifications. You have to make sure that they have relationships with local area hospitals so they can send people, if they get into these problems, to the hospital to maybe save your life. And you should really try to see if they have a track record. How many people have died from their surgeries? And I know it's kind of a morbid and scary thing to ask, but the danger is so significant at this point that even the government is saying these things are getting a little bit dangerous and out of control. So if you choose to travel, make sure you're doing your homework. As a board certified plastic surgeon and as president of the American Society of Plastic Surgeons, your safety is the first thing we think about. So I'm happy to answer questions on this, and please share this story to someone who you know who it might help, because you could be saving their life. Thanks, guys.